What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be replacing the shift knob and the shift boot in the Miata. We're doing this because the stuff in there right now is OEM, and two things are wrong with that. One, the shifter boot just looks super crappy and it's super stiff. And then two, the factory shift knob I don't like because there's no ergonomics to it. It's smooth and rounded, so there has been times where I've been like power shifting and realized that my hand has actually like slipped off of the shifter while trying to shift like that. So we got that replacement right here, and then we're gonna get the center console taken out so we can replace the shift boot, which is just 5 screws. So let's hop into that. So we're gonna have 5 total screws. One is right here, one is over here on the passenger side, one in the center console, and 2 right back there in the center console storage. Gonna get those taken out, then the whole center console removes. There's 1 plug, then the whole thing can come out and we can replace the shift boot. Then first, let's get this crappy factory shift knob off. And I gotta clean out whatever crap is all over it. I don't know why, but it's wet. Damn, the factory shift knob on these are actually pretty heavy.
I'm dreaming you and I. All my darkest fears are coming outside. We got a billion races, we got this melody, and you can trust me, baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe, and when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe, and when you need to escape from 1,000 fires. I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are, and I'm gonna miss you, I will never lie. Call me whenever you need someone, babe, but I am in the jungle of love. Jungle of love.
Okay, so just a quick correction. Apparently there's 2 plugs. The video I was watching must have been on a 90 to 94, and this is a 95, so make sure to remove this plug as well. Alright guys, so here we are. New shift boot and new shifter installed. So far I really like the feel of it. Honestly makes it feel like it's easier to shift gears. I don't know why that is. Maybe it being taller, you know, just giving it a little bit of a longer throw makes the differentiation feel a little bit better. But I can tell you right away, the ergonomics of it, like actually being able to grab the shifter to shift, is way better. In my opinion, that other knob was way too little, at least for my large hands. I also really like how this ended up making the interior just look a little bit newer and nicer and more well taken care of. That, along with the NB Nardi steering wheel that I will be doing a video on of like rewrapping because it does have its imperfections. But the shift boot and the shifter are both just like universals. So the shift boot is being sandwiched by the shifter plate. I just worked it in there where it's going to be nice and tight and then get heated up, get some movement on it, let it get loosened up. And then the shifter itself, there's a small rubber piece on the inside that you slide over your threaded shaft. And then right here at the bottom is actually a screw. You unscrew that, and there's these pass-through holes where you'll use these small little screws with an Allen wrench, and they basically thread through the shifter itself and then cut into the rubber without damaging your threads, but making sure this is nice and tight. So I'm super happy with it. And then once again, let me just get a little bit more light on it for you guys. It's just perforated black leather and PVC with red stitching, and then a matching silver collar, which I really like because it matches the silver gauge trim Just one more nice little thing checked off on the Miata that is going to make a huge difference to me every single time I drive it. If this video was helpful for you guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them down below and I will make sure to get back to you. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.